Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I have something fun for you today. I am giving away a Cricut Easy Press 2 bundle to one lucky follower. Yes, somebody's going to win this fabulous prize pack. Now, this is a prize pack that is the Cricut Easy Press 2 9x9. Plus, you'll get the Easy Press 12x12 mat, and then you'll also get the tote, the matching tote. So this is great for taking this on the go or even just storing it away in your craft area. All right. You'll also receive 7 different rolls of iron-on material so you can get started right away. And you'll get 2 different toolkits. The first toolkit is going to be the Essentials toolkit, which has a paper trimmer, which is great for trimming the vinyl to get it ready to put on your Cricut mat. And then there's some other assorted tools. There's some scissors and a spatula and some of those other things that you'll find helpful. And then the other toolkit is going to be the weeding tools. So you'll need those to be successful in using the iron-on material. Now, how can you win this fabulous prize? I know you guys want to know that. So what's going to happen is I have set up with Rafflecopter a series of things that you can do to earn an entry to win. The first thing to do is in the description where you see this video, it'll say Rafflecopter entry, March Rafflecopter entry is what it's going to say. And you will click on that link and it's going to take you to the entry page. And then there's going to be a few things for you to do to earn an extra entry. One of those is super easy. It's subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're already here. Please hit the subscribe button. You can also earn an extra bonus entry if you leave a comment where you see this video on my YouTube channel. Don't leave it on Facebook. If I post this on Facebook, leave it on my YouTube channel in the comment section of this video. Okay, that'll earn you an extra bonus. The other thing is I'd love you to come follow me over on Instagram if you're on Instagram. And so that'll earn you an extra entry. There will also be a giveaway post on my Instagram account. If you leave a comment on that Instagram picture entry, you will get an extra bonus entry for the contest as well. All right, super easy. I'm trying to give you all as many chances as possible to try to win this awesome prize. And then the other thing is I have a fan page for Scrap Me Quick Designs. I'd love for you to come follow me over there. That way you always know what's going on because I keep that constantly updated with the other Facebook groups that I run. Sometimes it's hard for y'all to know kind of what's going on with me, what classes am I offering, what events am I hosting, what tutorials have I put out. All of that stuff is always on my fan page for Scrap Me Quick Design. So I'd love for you to come like that page. And there will also be a post for this March giveaway. And if you leave a comment on that post on my fan page, you get an extra bonus entry. So I tried to give y'all several chances to earn some extra entries. I hope you guys are super excited about this giveaway. I really appreciate Cricut sponsoring this with me, and I cannot wait to pick the winner. So on March, you have until March the 25th at the end of the day, and then I will pick a winner, notify that person, and then I will make an announcement here on my YouTube channel of who wins on March the 26th. So thanks so much. Love you guys. I appreciate you guys following me and being so supportive and kind. And have a happy crafty day. Bye.